Alright, we're gonna get ready to finish this thing up here.
Yeah, I think that's the right cover now.
Yeah.
Now it looks a little, it is like you said, it's thinner, but everything, all the bolt holes look like it's gonna line up. They are a little bigger, but the gasket is pretty tight.
Yeah.
And it does have that little thing on the other one. As long as it works, it feels good. Still got these right here, and these are unstripped.
Just make sure you don't tighten them too tight.
Nah, I might do it. I might be too dang on loose.
Oh, you
Hey, gaskets.
put the torque wrench on it.
Nah, that's alright. Well, I mean, yeah, if you do it big, maybe. I ain't gonna trust it. Get some MLS head gaskets. So I'll do a little better.
Those look a lot better than them other ones.
It's got a little bit of rubber on there, so
Some
pretty nice.
BTRs.
It's El Ring. Plate's a little bit thinner. It does, I mean, the whole gasket still lines up.
Here's the original one. Let's see how thick that one is. Compared to that one.
So I guess this right here is, I guess they just kind of, it's cheaper material, I get. I don't know. It should sell the thing off. It does have that.
No, she don't
I
bite.
don't guess that really matters just because the gasket don't even go over that.
She's very
Yeah.
It's just a maid service.
That shit don't even fit, bro.
How tight is the other one?
Not like that. It's hitting that little ear on there.
Well, you know, part of it.
See, it's hitting. I can see it hitting it.
Yeah, it is. Then.
Yeah.
Well, the other one didn't hit it. Did it?
Alright, doesn't fit this time.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Is the gasket gonna fit? The gasket looks little.
Yeah, but I think also where it's kind of sitting up on the crank, you know, it's kind of.
Yeah, I don't know. It went on a little better than that one. Maybe it's just really tight.
You go on Amazon here.
It could be just really tight. Try to force it on there.
Double check.
Here, let me try it.
Hey, double check. It's not working.
Alright, make sure you keep an eye on her. I'll be back.
Yeah, it's just tight.
Big oof.
Alright, we finally got that back plate on there. We did have to grind the ears right here off of that plate because that's aftermarket Dorman plate. And it was actually hitting the crank, so we had to grind it off of there. I guess they don't check their stuff before they sell it. They just
Good old China.
Alright, we get ready to put the oil pan back on this thing for like the second, third time now. Got our Permatex on all the cracks here. And this gasket's over here somewhere. So put this back on there.
I guess they don't line up, no.
Nah, ain't no hole there.
It can be. Get a little fuzz from that damn rag. Kind of holds in place pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Alright, so hopefully this will be the last time we put this on.
Yeah.
Try not to torque them down as much.
It might be too loose. Just give those
Just a little snuggeroo. Just like that. Then I gotta use our straight edge again. And try to line the back of this pan up with the block there. Of course, I'm gonna need 2 hands to do that, so y'all get the point. Alright, we got the old pan on, and we didn't over tighten it this time, so should be good on that.
I hope.
But we took the straight edge, like I was saying, and lined it up this way, but of course this pan can move back and forth this way, and these bolt holes might not line up, so we just have to check when we get it back in the truck.
Yeah, but I don't know, the gasket kind of holds them pretty tight and it don't move it so much.
Yeah.
But, I mean, if we got it lined up, I don't know.
I feel like it's lined up pretty good, but if not, like I said, we'll just loosen it up and move it over once we get it in the truck. Alright, we're gonna clean the threads out real quick with these homemade thread chasers. I just took the original bolts and cut a slit in it so we can clean the threads. I actually done that when I put my engine together, but mine was a 2005, so I didn't have one of these long bolts there, so we had to rob one out of that engine to make one real quick for his.
Pays to have an extra engine laying on it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's a whole lot better, don't it?
Yeah. These look a lot better.
Yeah, spaced out around. Because the other ones are actually overlapping a little bit too.
Yeah, a little bit.
Because these are supposed to be LS1. I mean, it's a little bigger bore than the other one, so it's actually good. Perfect.
Got the heads on there. We just got to torque it down.
Alright, so I can't remember which one the...
This one's first, second.
Yeah, but do you remember what?
25. I got it
25
set
for the first
already.
pass?
Yeah.
It's right here when it fits.
So we got it on my phone here. We got first one 25 pounds, and then you go back to 50, and then 75. One, then 2. And 3. So we're gonna go ahead and torque these down.
plastic stiff, boy. That made a good rubber.
That's some chromoly.
7.4, I guess. Yeah, 7.4, 80, I guess 80 millimeter. I don't know. Not 80 millimeter, but I don't know. 80 something. I seen it before. I think you get different widths or whatever.
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit wider. I think the stock one's a little more narrow.
Probably.
Like 0.70 or
I
0.75.
don't know. You threw all yours away, so we can't compare them.
They were straight, so. Alright. Put a little lube on the tip.
A little lube on the tip.
That's the right hole in.
Yeah.
Too much plate you got. Well, there you go. It's seated now, I feel like.
Yeah.
I'll worry about that part later. Get a handful of push rods and just put them in there.
Yeah. Might as well. Alright, we got all the rockers on there and tighten them down. And we did spin the crank. We probably shouldn't have done that, but we did.
Yeah, this is my engine, right?
We probably should have primed it first, but we get ready to do that now. We dripping. We got oil coming out, all of them. We got some oil pressure. I guess we're doing pretty good. We're doing something.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we just pumped it again. We got plenty of oil going through all the push rods. We had 30 some pounds. Of course my drill's kind of slow.
Not your other one, huh?
But I guess that's pretty much it until we get it in the truck.
Yeah.
We'll be throwing it back in the truck next time, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully next weekend. Lord willing. Ow!
We probably won't get it started. We gotta get it all back together. But
Yeah, well, once we get back in there, I mean, the plugging part shouldn't be take too long. Might just have to take those zip ties, you know. But then we gotta do the exhaust work too. I can run it open headed for a few. I mean,
where are you gonna put your oxygen sensor? It's got bungs on it?
yeah, it should have
Right on the end.
Yeah, it has just like the Camaro.
I think it's supposed to run like a 2-foot piece past it, dude.
Yeah, you're supposed to. Yeah, he's gonna be running like dog crap anyway, so.
Yeah. Well, I guess we're gonna clean up here and be done. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya!